Hi, hello. My name is Jayran Samson. My register number is URK20CS1038. In this video, I am going to discuss about the experiment number 6 in web technology lab. The experiment number 6 is on JavaScript styles and animation arrays. The objective is to create a web applications using JavaScript to manipulate the CSS, animation, and arrays. The first question is to create a web page to perform various style modification using for the division box such as background color, text color, font size, and then width, height, and opacity using JavaScript code. And for color, use color HTML and choose a HTML input type color. Trigger the JS function when changing color and apply necessary style changes in div on change event. This is the first question. And then first question B is when user enter the text size with the right, trigger the JavaScript function and apply the style on change event. And then for each for opacity, use HTML range element using input type ranges and trigger the JavaScript function when the range is changed on change event. It's the first question. And then now I may move on to the code. The document type HTML language is equal to English, and then head meta character UTF-8, and then meta HTTP PQ HXUA compatible content IE is equal to edge, and then viewport content with the device with initial scale 1.0, and then color changer and title and color changer, and then script is, and we need to include an app.js, and then the margin is 0, background color has been added, D3 background color has been added, and then the container width is 100%, height is 350 pixels, display flex, and then justify content center, align item center, box with 300 pixels, height 300 pixels, background color yellow, border 3 pixels, and then solid blue, display justify content center, align items, margin auto, front size 24 pixels, colors blue, containers 2, padding left 70 pixels, and then style div class container div id boxes, id is equal to box color world underscore div, and then div class is equal to container 2, background color input id bg color type, and then color on change bg color change, text color input, and then the text color has been on change, and then text size has been included, and then text size has been on change, and then the option values has been given like size option values like 8, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then the box width has been included, and then box height has been included. Now I may show the JSS code too. Here it will show. Now I may show here as well. So here the JSS code here. This is the first code, and then this is the JS code app.js, and then the function bg color change, and then the variable divide documentary elementary box, and then we need to change get element by id bg color, and then div style background color, and then function text color change, and then the get element document get element id box where variable text document get element id text color div style color, and then function text size has been included, function width has been included, and then the height change border radius has been included. That's all for this program. And then the next question is now sorry, I may run the output and show now. This is the output. When we change the size, the text size has been changed, and then the box width, if we type box width is in 70, it may change 70, and then 50 it may say or 60, it may change like that. The box width has been 100, and then it may change like this, and then the radius also has been displayed, and then the radius will change by the size, and if I run again, it will show the exact output of the sample size. Now if we adjust the radius, it will change the box size and whatever necessary. Text background color has been changed. If we change the background color here as in red, and then the brown, and then the text color also will change like red color if we give, and then the applied here, the text color also will change. And then now again if I run and show, exactly the look like a sample output. It will show the original output here. It is a sample output, it is a original output. And then next I may move on to the second question. The second question is to create a web page JavaScript code to move absolutely position the car object. Image as per your choice, clicks the start button and stop button. Car image when the clicks the stop button, it will need to stop, and then if we click the start button it will need to be start. And then for this the app.js is from here, and then the document type HTML language, and then whatever necessary we need to put, and then the script is app.js, and then the title is moving car, outer division with 1413 pixels, height is 200 pixels, border right of 16 pixels, solid blue margin, top 30 pixels, font size 22 pixels with 120 pixels, height 50 pixels, background color position right, display justify content, and then the btn button has been included, start button has been included, stop button has been included, and then stop button has been included, and then the car image link has been included, and then the division class button has been included to on click on to move, stop, and then reset. And for this the app.js is where car is equal to null, where timer is equal to null, and then function int car document get element by car, and then the car style position style left function to move in pairs if pair int car style left, and then the greater than 150,050 document get elementary, and then the danger position has to be included, style value by visibility, and then the clear timeout has been need to be excluded, else the car style left percent car style left plus 2, and then plus pixels, and then set timeout, and then move 10, and then the function stop clear timeout, and then function retest has been displayed here. And then now I may execute and show this. Once I execute, give the start button, it will go start and go move on to this, and then stop, it will stop, and then if I start it will start, and then if I give reset it will go to the back, and then if I start from the it will get from start from the first, and then if I didn't stop it will go to the particular end, and then it will show the pop-up menu as a danger to the danger situation, so it shows the danger. And then the next question is that's all for this question. And then the next question is to create a web page with a JavaScript program to develop telephone directory. Here we need to design a web page, and then whenever add contact is clicked, add the name and the number previously, and then we need to add the numbers name, and then if we need to remove also it may able to remove. For that this is the code, h1 container input output line button, and then button 2 style function view, and then the script the JavaScript containers has been included. The contact name, if the contact name is already entered, we need to didn't need to enter it again. It will save remove first and then remove last. Now I may execute and show this. And then now if I give as an Daniel, and then the mobile number is 0608388, and then it will add it. And then if I give and then I may change the number 78969820, and then it will add like that. We may add several things like that. I may add one more name like and then here I may change some of the numbers. And then sorry, I have added 2 numbers, and then I will added it will show the added number. If I need to remove the number, I may give the remove first. It may give I may give as an remove first means the first name has been Daniel has been removed, And then if I give remove last means the last name has been removed.